Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a username for TD Canada EasyWeb account. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click on Login under EasyWeb Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Profile and Settings. On this page, you will see a section for Password and Security. Click on Password and Security. On this page, you will see a section for Username. Beside it is an edit icon. Click on the edit icon. Now, on the field provided, enter the username you wish to use. After entering, click on Done. That's how you create a username for TD Canada EasyWeb account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.